Doesn't that look like fun? Back up a little bit. What are you doing, Zoe? There's the smile.
Catch you! Catch you!
So enjoying playtime with Gitu. Bigger smile than I get when she's on the swing.
She giggles as today is just waking up. Maybe.
Yeah.
Still sleeping.
I can't even get her to smile. At least you get her to smile. Right, Zoe? Are you still sleepy, Zoe? Your mother's gonna die when she sees it. What a nice wake up, huh, Joe? You get to go on the swing. Whee! That holds you right in, doesn't it, Zoe? What a contraption. Who thought of that? We just gotta figure out how to make a portable one, Zoe. We gotta work on that. What a beautiful day out here. With the clouds. Very little breeze. Spy on the neighbors. Check out the street. Nothing happening. There's a Zoe. Look what we found, a Zoe. Up. Oh, say thank you.
Yeah.
We say thank you?
Get a play here?
No. I don't think we ever got film of you playing at the park, Joe. Where'd you go? Who's this? It's a Zoe. Hi. Can you wave at the camera? Can you say hi? No.
You guys together? You guys together?
Good luck trying to get in there.
Together?
Look at that. Get it. Get it, Joe.
Sure.
What you doing, Zoe? What'd you find? Don't know. Okay. Maybe it's because I'm filming her. What do you think, Zoe? Why, Joe? I don't think you have to attack it. Oh, who's that? You waiting for Grandpa to get in? Uh-oh, can you make it? Was it dirt, Joe? Get it. Da. It's like I'm still investigating the park. Look at you, Joe. Are you a big girl? Where are you going? You going up? Say up. We're not speaking today. This is perfect size for you, Zoe. Not like the one at the big park. There's Zozo. Let me go a little closer, just in case. Let's peek at her through here. Who's that? Hi. Yes, it is a baby. You're the baby. I don't think you realize that you're the baby on the camera. Let's get a close-up. Close-up of the mastermind. Oh, there was a smirk. What was that? Hi. Look at her. She's like, what is going on here? This is exciting. Oh.
You want to go down this here?
Go down the slide?
Go down.
There's the stroller.
Can you catch her?
Yeah. All right, though. Ready? Here you come. Whee! Good job. Let's see.
Bravo!
Yay! Can you clap and shout hooray? No, just one.
He wants more of that.
What's Jojo doing? Are you hiding? Jojo, are you hiding? Jojo.
You go to the swing? Swing?
Swing.
Swing? Yeah, swing. Where is the swing? Where is the swing?
Do you know where the swing is?
She knows what a swing is.
Wow.
Where is the swing?
Where?
Where is it?
You know what park is really fun? The one in Rancho, like in the middle by the city hall.
Yeah.
That one's really big, and she has a lot of fun there.
Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get the... Okay.
Wanna get in? Yay!
Okay, now go!
There we go.
Wow!
Let's get on the other side. The sun isn't shining on us though. That's better. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you.
Gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
You better run.
Where you go? Upper? Upper?
Say please. All right.
Where do you want to go? Here?
Oh, look at that. All you need is a little picnic, Joe. And have a conference. Zozo, can you wave hi to the camera? Hi. Hi. Zozo, what's a cow say? What's a horse say? What's a snake say? Yes, good job. What's a lion say?
Gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
What are you doing? Uh-oh, are you gonna beat up that toy? Good job. Where's the ball? Do you see the ball in there? No, the ball's in that. Oops, sorry, Joe. There's not a ball like out here. The ball's right here. Okay. The ball right there. See the ball? The ball. Okay. You don't get it. That's okay. When you get older. When you get bigger. Yeah. What you doing? Uh-oh, so he's gonna get you.
I'm gonna get you.
He's gonna get you.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Where are you going? Careful of the step. There you go. Good job. You want to swing again?
Want to go on the swing?
Typical woman. You change your mind a lot.
See, please.
Good job.
Did you see that, please?
Yeah, I did. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
No, she's like, I don't want it. I just want to have fun.
What? Opa. 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 Oh, she knows what Opa. Opa.
You change your mind a lot, don't you? Alright, so I'm going to stop this as we're going on like 12 minutes here.
Yeah.